Hiro-san,
Yes.
good afternoon.
Hey, another good afternoon.
Actually, I had to ask you, how are you doing, Hiro?
Okay. Today, actually, this morning I went to a gym.
Yes, you are doing great.
My leg was kind of.
You're doing great.
The
Tell me what you're
muscle
doing.
pain,
I can't wait to share that video with
I
all
don't know.
your
People
fans.
say the last salmon picture. They say I'm a little bit getting skinny.
I mean, I can see you getting fit too. Definitely. Yeah, arms and shoulders.
So
All right.
Yeah.
Well, got a delicious recipe, Hiro. What are
yeah.
we making today?
today's gonna make a conch salad.
Conch salad.
Yeah, this is served like appetizer portion,
Okay.
So here's a conch.
Okay.
The main ingredients. This is a conch, and I'm gonna slice up the red onion.
Okay.
And here's the scallion. This is for the decoration. So these items: white miso, honey, sugar, mirin, and yuzu juice. I'm gonna make a sweet miso. That's
Okay.
going to be the kind of dressing for the conch salad.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna put a little bit of miso here. I'm gonna do a little by little, and the sugar, and mirin, and then yuzu juice. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit tasting. Good. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This one I'm gonna keep on the side for now. Oh. Okay.
Wow, wow, wow. Take a look at this dish, Hiro. Well, I know you just made it, but it is beautiful.
It's not too pretty, maybe, not too many color, might people say. The simple conch salad.
No, but the presentation, let me tell you, and I can just imagine what this is going to taste like. With that white miso, got all the great, delicious flavorings in there. I can't wait to try this. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Right. See you next time.
Here we go to the tasting part.
Yes.
Hiro-san, I can't wait to try this. Okay, enjoy.
Sure. To me, it's perfect.
Really?
Not
nice
too
flavoring?
sweet. Not too sweet.
Okay.
I like this conch texture.
Right. Good. Can you put a little here on this one?
Maybe if we use a little more sweet, is better for you.
Very good. The miso flavor is pretty strong. So if you don't like that kind of miso flavor, which is good, you know, I like it. Maybe a little bit less, but it's still very, very good. Very pronounced, very strong and pronounced flavor with the miso. But I love the texture of the conch. Tastes great. Conch is always great, whatever consistency you can get from it. But everything looks great, delicious. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you very soon.